Hey guys, not a newbie here, and I'm going to do something a little bit different than what I usually do. Me and my brother, we are really big fans of free open source games like AssaultCube. We've actually been playing AssaultCube together for a while now, and it always provides a really fun and interesting experience. And I've since switched from normal AssaultCube to AssaultCube Reloaded, but now that my brother has gotten his computer, he wants to play Assault Cube because the servers, they actually have servers with people on them. But I personally prefer Assault Cube Reloaded because I think the whole point of Assault Cube originally was to be more realistic than Cube 2, because they both are based on the Cube engine. And when I look back at normal Assault Cube, I just don't really see that realism. And I understand that the bots on some maps on Assault Cube are better than the Assault Cube Reloaded maps, but just as a whole, you will always run into something that just uh, uh, comes off as grossly unrealistic in normal Assault Cube. And here is an example of something that's just like completely and utterly terribly unrealistic. As we play this clip here, you can see me, walking down, and you see me in this hall. Now, another big problem here was that these two bots had been running into each other the whole game. I think earlier on I was actually just like killing them, but they're literally shooting up at people who are at the floor above them, and it's not just that, but the bots who are on the other team are shooting down at me, and they're hitting me, and I can't even hit them. So this leads to some a kind of frustrating complex because I believe they actually get killed by the bots who are up top. As you watch the clip again, I think they might actually get killed because they disappear, and you can tell if you look at the people who eliminated them, they're enemy bots, not bots on my team. So you have these invincible enemies who are up on the floor above you. You cannot kill them. You can't do anything. And worst of all, these bots are congregating here, which is blocking the walkway, so you can't even move. It's ridiculous. And before you say, oh, this is a one-off thing, I have another clip here of the same thing happening. You see me walking around. I'm like, oh, I'm going to go down this corridor. There are literally bots like throwing grenades on the ground, um, which is my ceiling, and dealing damage to me. The bots are still congregating in the hall, and this is like minutes later. Especially like since all the people who were there died, they just swarm back there again. It's just stuff like this is why I don't like Assault Cube. In Assault Cube Reloaded, you don't have people shooting through ceilings, and shooting through floors. It just doesn't happen. So, um, one reason why I like Assault Cube Reloaded over Assault Cube, although Assault Cube Reloaded has its own flaws as well. Um, anyways, I don't know if you guys care or not. I don't even know if people still play this really. But thanks for watching, guys. This whole video was part of a longer video I played to like showcase the graphics or whatever. It's not buttery smooth because my recording software tends to slow down the computer, and I don't have like this crazy high performance computer to work with. So usually I get 60 frames per second, but since I was recording it, it's a little under 30. But still, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, watching the gameplay. I know I'm not that great, but it's just a showcase. Um, I guess I'll see you guys later. Maybe I'll post more gaming content on here. Who knows? But not a newbie. Signing out.